friends, I'm here with a southern dish. This rice with chicken and beans is called Polo Shooshtari. The ingredients are 2 cups of rice, 1 sliced chicken, 200 grams dill, 1 cup of black-eyed beans, an onion, 1 clove garlic, 50 grams butter, 2 teaspoons turmeric, half a teaspoon pepper, 2 teaspoons salt. Soak the rice in warm water after washing. Pour 2 teaspoons salt. Cook the black-eyed beans with water. Dice an onion. Sauté in butter until softened. Grate the garlic. Add to onion. Of course, you can remove garlic from the ingredients, it's optional. Slice the chicken to small pieces. Add to the onion. Add turmeric and pepper. Reduce the heat. Cover the pot with a lid and simmer the chicken for 20 minutes. Put the rice that we have already soaked with salt on the heat. The water in the rice should be the size of a centimeter or a fingertip. When the rice was boiled and cooked and water was reduced, add the minced dills and cooked black-eyed beans and cooked chicken and stir well. In other pot, pour a little oil. Put the sliced potatoes on the bottom of it and pour the rice on it. Pour a little oil on the rice. Cook the rice for 45 minutes over low heat. It's ready to eat. Enjoy your meal.